In today's video, we're excited to walk you through Cardinality Control, a highly requested feature that simplifies managing your data. Whether you're looking to optimize budgets, identify noisy metrics, or scale up for critical events, we designed this tool to make data management faster, easier, and entirely under your control. Before we explore the interface, here's a quick explanation. Cardinality refers to the number of unique elements within a set. For dimensional metrics in New Relic, this means unique combinations of attributes your metrics generate in a single day. Now, there are two types to keep in mind. Account cardinality, which is the total number of unique metrics across the entire account, and metric cardinality, which refers to the unique data points tied to each individual metric. If a limit is reached, New Relic keeps collecting your raw data, but aggregation pauses until the next day's reset, which happens at midnight UTC. This ensures you'll never lose access to your metrics, even during high traffic periods. Getting started is simple. All you need to do is click your name in the bottom left corner of New Relic, head to Administration, and then open the Cardinality Management tab. Once there, you'll find options for managing account cardinality, metric cardinality, and pruning rules, using the same role-based access control model you already know. On the dashboard, you'll get a comprehensive view of your total account cardinality usage along with your budget, displayed as a time series chart. By default, this shows the last 24 hours, but you can easily adjust by brushing the chart or by using the time picker. Below the chart, there's a detailed table breaking down individual metrics. Each metric shows its specific usage, budget, and how much it contributes to your overall account budget. If you want to dig deeper into a single metric, simply click on it. This opens a more detailed view, allowing you to see its usage and budget trends. You can even identify the attributes that are contributing most to its cardinality, giving you more insight into areas to optimize with features like pruning rules, which drop specific attributes that you may not find valuable. Adjusting budgets for your metrics is straightforward. Just select the Adjust Metric Budget button, set a new limit, and hit Update. The changes will apply in 10 to 15 minutes, giving you a quick and efficient way to take control. Need more flexibility at the account level? You can increase your overall account budget from the default $15 million up to $100 million. To do this, click Manage Account Cardinality, enter your desired limit, and confirm. And if your needs go beyond that, just open a ticket, and our support team will work with you to make it happen. That's a look at Cardinality Control, our new tool that takes the complexity out of managing your metrics and puts the power in your hands. Whether you're streamlining budgets or keeping observability during high demand periods, our goal is to make your work seamless and effective. Get started with Cardinality Control today, and let us know how it's transforming your experience. Thanks for joining.